Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to find Clipboard on Samsung, first thing is just simply go to any text that will make the keyboard pop up. And now from here, in order for you to find the clipboard, just simply hold the text and should be able to see here a clipboard option. So tap on clipboard, and from here you should be able to see all of your copied text. Now, if you don't have that option, guys, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and select the four boxes over here on the left side. And you should be able to see here clipboard, and you should be able to see all of your clipboard. Now, if you don't have that option on your keyboard, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. Now, here on the settings, just simply go for general management, go for the language and input, go for the on screen keyboard, and just simply select your keyboard, Samsung keyboard, and just simply go for style and layout, and make sure the keyboard toolbar is turned on in order for you to see that four box option, and you should be able to see there the clipboard option. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.